Want to use Delta Executor Mobile V2.665 for Roblox on your Android device? Here's how to do it step by step. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Download Delta Executor Mobile V2.665. First, you need to download Delta Executor Mobile V2.665. Go to a trusted website like the official Delta Executor site and download the APK file. Make sure to allow installs from unknown sources in your device settings. Step 2. Install Delta Executor. Once the APK is downloaded, tap on it to start the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. Step 3. Enable developer mode on Roblox. To use Delta Executor, you need to have developer mode enabled on Roblox. Go to settings on Roblox and enable developer mode from the settings menu. Step 4. Open Delta Executor Mobile. Now open the Delta Executor Mobile app. Once it's open, it should prompt you to enter Roblox. You'll be able to see the Script Executor interface where you can paste your scripts. Step 5. Load Roblox and inject scripts. Launch Roblox and choose the game you want to use the executor on. Then copy and paste your desired Roblox script into the Delta Executor script box and press execute to inject the script into the game. Step 6. Enjoy the game. After executing the script, you'll see the effects in the game. Enjoy using Delta Executor on your Android device, but make sure you're following Roblox's rules to avoid bans. That's how you use Delta Executor Mobile V2.665 for Roblox on Android. Download, install, and inject scripts to enhance your Roblox experience. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tutorials and comment for any other how-to you might need.